Alright, YouTube fam, what's going on? Apologies for the delay. We're here. We are here. I was just on the phone for TPG for the past hour. But we are here. I apologise. Let me know if you guys can hear me all good. We're back in a new setup. Let me just get my charger. Apologies for the delay. Apologies. Gonna let the Zoom guys in here as well. And we'll start jumping. I was, just watching gold a little bit here. There was some nice little shorts, but it's all good. We will cover it. Let me know if you guys on YouTube can hear me all loud and clear. You guys should be able to. I just had everything all set up in the new place. So you guys should be able to hear me all good. Let me check Zoom. All good. Thank you. Alright, cool. Let me turn this down. Let me let the Zoom guys in here. Alright, what's going on Zoom guys? Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. Apologies for the delay. We are here. You guys should be able to see my screen all good. Let me move this over here. Good morning, afternoon. Benny, what's going on, man? Morning, good afternoon, everyone. Alright, we're all in. We'll jump straight in. Won't waste any time here. Apologies, I was on the phone to TPG, but we're all good now. We're all good. Right, I'm just gonna quickly pop up the news, see what we got going on for this week. Hey, what's going on, Brett? Don't forget to press record. Look at that. See?
Recording in progress.
What would I do without you? Fucking Hoover's talking. So, news for today. We have had we've had New Zealand bank holiday today. We have some US dollar news, ISM services PMI, whatever that is. No USD news tomorrow. No high impact news on Wednesday. You got unemployment claims again on Thursday. And that's pretty much it. So you're in for a much cleaner week this week. We had NFP on Friday, which I didn't actually trade, but it ended up having some amazing moves. So hopefully you guys took advantage of the NFP moves. No screen. Yeah, I haven't shared it with you guys yet on YouTube. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like. I was just checking the fundamentals. And now we can start drawing up the charts and see what we got going on for the day. Good morning, Ross. Good morning, man. Good morning. I actually almost took some shorts again here on gold. You guys look at this chart down here. There's actually a little 5-minute double bottom that got left on NFP down here. Little double bottom. I was trying to snipe this if it could come and grab these highs, but unfortunately I wasn't quick enough. I wanted to see the 15 spike out the highs a little bit more, and I was trying to get shorts into this double bottom for like 30 ticks. Pretty huge, very very quick. But let's do a. Seems very good connection you today. Have you paid your internet bill finally? Yeah, I've moved house, and I was just on the phone to upgrade it even better. And I just got told that it had actually been cancelled for some reason, so I had to reset up a new one. But somehow we're still here, so if it goes, it'll be because it's possibly moving to the new one. But yeah, we got new internet set up, NBN in the new house, much better internet connection, so I'm glad it's good for you guys. Hey AJ, what's going on, man? So let's do a little bit of top down here. 650 left on the 50k combine. Good man. Good job, Ross. That's lovely consistency, man. Look at that. Big spike up, little dip. Good job. Very nice, Ross. Good morning, Mario. Good morning, man. These are the shorts. I'll run over these in a second. Let's quickly have a look at the weekly close yesterday on gold off the back of NFP. Have a quick look at the monthly as well. Let me just play. Where are we? Yeah. So we are into February. This is I believe the second trading day of February. As we can see in January actually closed back above this very nice resistance here, broke above support, and trying to push higher. Now, I believe this month you're going to see price come and grab some monthly lows before potentially pushing higher. So overall, I'd like to see this month come down and refill in this wick and tap back into 2000 again, before potentially seeing a push higher. Remember the daily highs that we spoke about on gold to be grabbed since we were trading all the way back down here have now been liquidated. Very nice. Spiked out 2050 again, closed back below the resistance, and now having this little dip back lower. That's the low down there. But last week did actually close bullish. We did close bullish. We closed bullish above this very nice resistance, fake out resistance, support, broken resistance, support. So currently, this weekly is at a very nice daily level of support where we could start to retrace, a little bit higher, maybe come back up into this region somewhere, maybe back around here one more time. So right now, daily is at a very nice level of support. We're grabbing the lows of non-farm payroll, and we could start to see some support found from this region. Unless this daily, today closes below this level, then we can look for some shorts. But on an intraday basis, be wary that we are at that daily level of support. So that's the daily time frame there on gold. We'll have a look at more of a little intraday chart here. That was the NFP drop. Absolutely beautiful drop. Liquidated the highs, dropped all the way back down. Anyone who tried to buy NFP massively stopped out. Anyone who had shorts also stopped out. And you saw that very, very, very nice push down. And we already had, you guys on Zoom, we already had these NFP lows marked on as well for price to come and grab, which, since liquidating these highs, that was a 270 tick drop. Insane. Now, these have all been grabbed, so we'll get rid of these, we'll get rid of this. You can kind of see what I just spoke about. Before this retracement up here, what did we do? We found support, but we didn't re-grab the lows, left at the bottom. Well, price is going to be drawn to that and just liquidated that low and rejected pretty nicely after Asia had a very, very nice push down today. You guys who were active in Asia got the great shorts from like up here. Oh, I think you guys had some shorts from here. I had some shorts from here. This was a very nice short level. But before we drop down that low, let's have a quick look at this 4 hour. So where could we see price tap back into before this push down? Also, remember, last week closed with no bottom wick, which is that low right there. That's the reason I have that marked on, because that was last week's low that we could also see grabbed. But let's just mark on our intraday levels here. You could see price potentially, you kind of already found this resistance here. You kind of reacted off it here. So that's the highs of the range that we're currently in. And we could see it price tap back down into, let me just see, maybe like, what's this wick? This wick's telling me something. Here. Yeah, so massive 4 hour support as well. So you could easily see this retrace a little bit higher. Come and grab some previous 4 hourly highs before dipping back lower. So that's the 4 hour. I won't overcomplicate that too much. That hourly drop today was beautiful. You guys who got the shorts at Asia Open from here was incredible. You had some lovely little double bottom to come and grab. Re-grab the hourly highs, close back bearish. A very nice push down. Is that a double bottom? Yeah, you also have a double bottom down here, which if we close below here, that's going to be a pretty easy target. Previous hourly on gold found some support here after grabbing this double bottom, closed back above the little support here. Now this hourly's just grabbed the higher, closing back bearish. So you may be coming to fill in this wick here. So could we be looking for some shorts, because we got a nice target now. This lovely double bottom here. Very nice target. I think a lot of people probably tried to jump in longs off that, which definitely wasn't a bad idea. But as soon as you grab the highs, you have to manage your risk. For me, I wouldn't take any longs until you close probably back above here. And I'll take some sells if we all of a sudden in the next... Wait, how's that 15 just closed? 15 just closed below, no top wick just yet. But we've broken out of this little minor range after grabbing the highs. So we could have some shorts here on gold soon. Where's the support going to be? Like here. I didn't manage risk. Yeah, the longs were nice, man. The longs were nice after this. But yeah, as soon as this closes bullish and fails to close above this little resistance, yeah, you probably want to be stops below that low max. If not, probably just cutting it, to be honest. Yeah, minus 12 ticks maybe. But the thing is, there's no upside target to buy from this. Like, you've already grabbed highs, push lower. You've grabbed highs, push lower. You grabbed highs, push lower. So there's no real like clear liquidity levels. That's the only reason I didn't. I was watching these buys. That's the only reason I didn't take it, because I have nowhere to want to target. As soon as we start getting a top wick on this 15, you know, we could be looking for these shorts down into this double bottom, just down here. Going for the lows you have, yeah, nice, yeah. This was looking solid. I tried to short into this from around here, but I didn't grab the high speed, so I didn't get these shorts. But that was my first target, to grab the little double bottom off NFP lows, like that.
Yeah. I tried to get in low then.
Yeah.
But
it was quick, very quick.
It closed it up here.
Yeah, and then straight back down. Look at that huge rejection. Grabbing this 1, 2, 3 triple bottom. Grabbing this double bottom. Closing back above. Almost flip the bias, go long, straight back down. What did I was looking. I wanted these shorts as well. I was waiting to see, and when I was watching this, when I was on the phone, it was painful. I was waiting to see us wick out this high before this push down, but we actually opened, pushed down, grabbed the lows, and then created the top wick. But that was a very, very quick spike. Any retail trader who was probably buying off this support was probably trying to do something like that, I imagine, looking for this big play up, but they've just now been stop hunted pretty aggressively. So we'll wait 10 minutes. We'll wait for this first close. Ideally, I want to see this close out of this little range here. This is a 19, 20, just about 20 tick range. So I won't get caught up in this just yet. If we get a nice breakout, you know, we have clear downside targets for price to come and grab this low here. And that overall level down there. If we do start closing back above, you may be able to take price up into there. But there's no. I don't have any clear liquidity highs that need to be grabbed. You gotta grab it all highs as well. You know, this drop here was so nice because you grabbed the highs and you had 1, 2, 3, 4 lows to come and grab here, and that was when we saw that very nice push down in Asia. Nice setup, G. Thank you, man. Thank you. Good to be in the new place with good internet and even better internet soon. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. The camera's broken, I think, Chris. You guys, fuck, why do I look so red on this camera? Jesus. I swear I'm not that red. We got good Wi-Fi, bit of a blurry camera, good internet, and aircon. Fell asleep at the pool. Yeah, I did all weekend. Yeah, this camera isn't doing me any justice here. Sometime from the pool. Yeah, I spent all weekend by the pool. I haven't been by the pool today much, actually. I've been busy today, but yeah, I spent all weekend chilling by the pool. Sweatband for your head. Absolutely. Blushing. I am blushing. It's been a while since we've been on stream, so I'm nervous. You guys are making me nervous. Yeah, I didn't actually trade NFP because I had some crazy trades the day before. But for you guys who maybe did trade NFP had a absolutely fucking beautiful drop, and this low that we had marked on here to be grabbed ended up getting smashed. So beautiful. It's so clean. So clean. But I do still think you're going to see, and this was that, you know, we spoke about this double top here for so long. Look at these 1, 2, 3 highs that never got grabbed on gold. Gold was never going to see a push down without grabbing all of them. It's a shame we took so long to get there, to get the buys up into. I don't think anyone did get buys from down here, but ended up grabbing like all of our liquidity levels on gold so well. So well. It's like a 500 tick push up. That's absolutely disgusting. We're going to make this chart down here, the 4 hour. I'm just trying to see where could this... I'm going to move the mic over here. I would love to see, you know, what do we also have here? We do have a one rejection and drop lower, which does make me think at some point, you know, you could actually retarget them highs. You know, NFP did grab some highs before this drop, but I was a little bit too aggressive with my levels, even though I didn't watch it. I believe I gave to you guys in Discord, I gave this high up here, and these lows down here is what I had initially marked on. But we didn't get all the way up there. We just ended up grabbing these highs here, liquidating these highs here, closing bearish, and then coming to slam down all of that. So for price at some point to retarget NFP highs, you know, wouldn't be that crazy. 30-minute you rejected once, grabbed the highs, retested, push lower. But on the hourly, or was it the 4 hour? Yeah, hourly, you rejected once, you retested, never re-grabbed the highs and ended up pushing down. So at some point, you know, to retest them highs, or at least to see price come back up to this left shoulder head, right shoulder back around 2050 at this major 4 hour support, wouldn't be so crazy either. There's no crazy news this week that should stop you from getting into any trades, which is good. You've got NFP out the way. You've got month end out the way. You guys who are trading futures, obviously remember to roll your contracts. How's this 15 looking on gold? Is this 30 going to break out here to re-grab the lows? Refill in this big wick potentially. 5 minute, just grab the lows, close bullish, retested, pushing back lower again. It's not a very nice looking 5 minute down there. I get rid of this level. I think gold was gonna balloon about 100. Yeah, I know, David. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. I was expecting to see some crazy opens and continue running higher, but it looks like we're pretty much over that war news by the looks of it. To be honest, everyone kind of knows what to expect. We know there's a war going on, so it's nothing new to the markets, I guess. Nothing new by the looks of it. Asia again today had some beautiful drops, some very nice drops. Yeah, already priced in. Yeah, I agree, David. I agree, man. I agree. People are already ahead of the curve now, because it's been going on for quite a while now. I remember when gold started to have this huge pump up from back down in November here, and now we just kind of got used to it. Oh, we also did actually grab CPI high as well. I believe that was CPI high. There's some sort of fundamental high that we mentioned that we would need to come and grab. So we did actually grab that high perfectly. Look at that double top. Wicks out the double top. Anyone who shorts from here, all being liquidated. Huge push down. Incredible. Liquidity levels on gold are key, man. Are very key. I did have some shorts in Asia. I kind of kicked myself because I closed it way too early. And some of you guys in Discord also had the same shorts, which was great, which was very nice. I'm just waiting for this 30 close here on gold. Where's my short gone? Here, these are the shorts that I had. Split our screens like yours. So you just go up here. Big dollar bills trading view. Yeah, I just use this one. But to be honest, you could probably just use one of these. Have it side by side, like this. You could have gold. You can have gold like higher time frame. You know, like maybe 30-minute or hourly here, and then 5-minute here if you wanted. You don't need as many as me. I don't use all of these. I just like to use this chart for other things I'm looking at, and then these 3 for gold. Most of my 30-minute time frame should be 30. Let me clear this chart up here. This chart's a little bit messy. Let me clean this up. Yeah, I think we're gonna get nice. I reckon you're gonna, if we close bearish without grabbing this low into an instant top wick, you may have some sells on gold. This will change the stream. Let me make sure we're logged in here. But yeah, how was everyone's January? You guys on Zoom and YouTube, how did you guys find January? Did you guys have a green month, red month, break-even month, learning month? I had a pretty crazy start to February on the 1st. Made a very rookie mistake, which we're not going to shy away from. 72%, amazing. Learning month, yeah, good. Good, learning month is good. Good. We had a great mentoring session on Saturday as well. A very good mentoring session. So you guys on Zoom who haven't caught it yet, highly recommend rewatching the recording. Amazing session. Yeah, it was a great session, man. It was a very, very good session. Good month. Jan win rate was lower than normal. However, results faults were identified. No, yeah, good. Jan was green. Feb not a good start so far. All good. I had a need for journal month. Nice. That's good, man. Tom, 55%. Amazing. Good work. 55% win rate is amazing. Good month and fell apart, but have started strong in February. So as a learning month, I'm not getting hurt myself. Yeah, good job, David. Good man. Recognizing that. So we're leaving a little double bottom here on a 30. This is very nice. If we open with an instant top wick here, we're going to drop down to the 5 in a second, and I'm gonna let me just go on this chart here. We've got too many charts open here. So you just left a little double bottom there, which is very nice. If you push up into a top wick, you're gonna have at least like 20 ticks into the lows. Where could you top wick into? Maybe here ish. Maybe could be enough. Best part is the confidence that we will do the same mistakes. Yeah, absolutely. 100%, man. There's a very rookie mistake that I haven't done in a while, but I 100% needed. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll share the journal in here with you on Zoom. I had like a 67 tick loss, which was very, very needed. It was a completely rookie mistake, but it's important to share it with you guys.
You did?
Yes, I did, man. Yep. Don't trade and move. Don't trade and move house, and don't not use a stop loss. I just have let me I'll share it with you guys here on Zoom. I just sent it in, but let me share it here with you. Do you guys see can you see this screen? Can you guys see this? Yeah, cool. So here, I'll show you.
Yeah, we can.
Cool, man. Oh, don't do that. There you go. I'll show you here. Gold's still pushing down here. It's fine. So I had these buys off this hour to come up and re-grab some highs, and I didn't use a stop loss. I don't really use hard stops much because I was managing it here, and then I ended up having to go out, forgot about the position, and when I came back on, we were all talking about that gold drop, and ended up having to cut it all the way down there. Was my stop loss was meant to be below this low. Well, actually, it was supposed to be at break even, because I actually looked back and was like, fuck, I hit 16 ticks at this, and I just didn't set alerts. So if you guys look at the notes here, stop loss supposed to be here, and break even after 16 ticks. I deserved / needed this, which I definitely did. What? Yeah, whatever. No, what? Where's the link? Why's that not working? Oh, what? Well, the image that's supposed to be here is where the stop loss originally was supposed to be here. Where when I had stopped being able to be on the charts, that's where my alert should have been. But this little level was when we grabbed some 30-minute highs, which I can probably show you on the screen. Where is it? It was playing it up into where is it now? Here. Where was it? Yeah, here. So as it grabbed these little double top here. Was it that one? Yeah, that's when I then should have been, or was it there? No, I think it was there. It was as this. Yeah, it was there. Sorry. So as this was grabbing this high, I think I hit around like 16-ish. Yeah, 16 ticks. Hard stop was there. Should have been at break even, and then we ended up slamming back down before then completely retracing back up. So ate that cut it, and then had some more shorts once we re-grabbed these highs, and I just got this back down here and actually covered up the exact same loss. So it was a very, very wild day, first day of the month. It was a fucking crazy day. And you guys can see I took the 67 tick win on the shorts back down, and I posted in the screenshot of the P&L so you guys can actually see it as well. If anyone wants just to make sure we're not capping. But yeah, all part of the game. But to be honest, I needed something like that. Them things are always right around the corner. Like I said to you guys, it doesn't matter what level you get to. Them things are always right around the corner. If you ever can't not be present in the charts because you have something going on, just don't do stupid shit like that. How do you add notes to the TradingView link? Could have delete them and show you. Yeah, nah, all part of the game there. And that's like, man, that's a huge one. Even if I didn't make 67 on the way back down, all still would have been in there, man. Absolutely, it's part of the game, man. No one has 100% win rate. Do you mean these notes, Jay? If you mean these ones, you can just right click on it, man, and then you can put here. You can put a comment, and you can type about it there, man. So for instance, here as well, you know, I again closed this trade at 21 ticks, ended up hitting 170. So it was a fucking ridiculous day. That's why I didn't trade NFP, because after that day, the previous day, I was like, yeah, I'm not fucking trading NFP. I just wasn't there.
I like the note bit. Like I write it in the side column. So it's right click on notes.
Yeah.
That looks cleaner.
Yeah, it's nice, man. Yeah, you can just. I don't do it often, but when I did this, I was like, actually, you should do that more often.
Yeah. I write notes on the chart, but I like writing on the Excel spreadsheet as well now. So that's good to know. Should that.
No worries, man. Good man. Good morning to the gold sideliners only. Good morning. Nah, I stopped using that, Tom. I stopped using it, man. It just didn't bring me much benefit, to be honest. I think it's a good one if you want to use it, but I just stopped using it, man. I just paying for it. I didn't really use it. Yeah, so you still have a little triple bottom here on gold. You're having this is a pretty nice 30 top wick here. Remember, the hourly is still at support, daily still at major support, but this is a low that you're going to be grabbed at some point. I would consider buys if we break out of here. Then you could have buys back up into here as a first target. I would be very keen to see these lows grabbed first here on gold. You may, who knows, could you grab this 15 high? Maybe. Maybe. I think anyone who is buying gold right now, stops are going to be below this low here. So yeah, that was a very crazy start to the month for me. Do you use 1 to 2% as your max loss per trade? Yeah, it's typically within that, man. Yeah, I don't calculate different lot sizes for each trade, but it's usually within 1 to 2 to 3 percent, man. Especially if I'm on top step, then yeah, like 0.5 to 1 max. I thought that was going to be me done for the month, but still ended up. I'm only 2 trading days into February and already up 90 ticks. 1 to 200 contracts. No. I wish. Percent. 300 contracts. Imagine. 100 contracts one day. But that's the thing, even though I did take that big loss without stop loss, because I don't really use stop loss, I wasn't over leveraged, so it didn't really affect me. I wasn't over leveraged, and I knew that this move was going to come in, because we spoke about all these hourly highs getting grabbed. I still cut it because I just didn't want to hope that this was coming, so I was like, let me just fucking cut it, and I'll just re-enter, which I then did and made back more than the loss. But I still knew this move was so likely to come in, but I didn't hold the loss and just hope that it was going to push up. I was like, let me just cut it. And then it ended up obviously completely coming all the way back up. And I got this short here. A very aggressive short, actually. 100 cons. 2 TBA. Yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, what's that? 100 contracts, one tick is what? $1,000? Is that right? So that's the reason I didn't trade NFP. Probably should have though, but I wasn't there. I was like, let me just clock off for the month. After a day like I had on the first, I was pretty much out for the week. And then today's short again. I had this short today in Asia, and I was scaled out of this probably more aggressive than I should have. I closed like 50% as we were hitting like these lows here, because I expected maybe we could come and re-grab this high, and then end up getting out of this position like full like 18 ticks, and I left a lot on the table again, unfortunately. But it was an Asia scalp. I didn't expect it to continue dropping. Well, I actually wanted the shorts from here, but I wasn't on the charts there. So when I opened the charts, I saw the 30 flip back bearish here and just took the sells there, just playing it down into that support. I ended up dipping all the way back lower. Triple bottom here on this 30. On Goldie. I know some of you guys on Zoom and Discord, they also got some shorts in Asia, which was very, very nice. I was basically shorting into hourly double bottom here. 1, 2, and as this hourly was forming, it was creating like a 3 and rejecting, so it was 1, 2, 3 lows to be grabbed. So I was shorting into them. As soon as we were grabbing the initial lows, that's where I was pretty much out full. How many trades have you lost so far this month? One trade, which is basically like fucking 6 for me. But last month I lost, let me see, where are we? Yeah. Last month I had 5 losses. I can almost guarantee you that loss I took on the first will be the biggest loss I'll take this year. I can't guarantee you, but I would be very surprised if I topped that. So at least we got that out the way for the year. That's one good positive to take from it. We'll get that shit over and done with. But like I say, I feel like I needed it. You always need to be humbled by the market sometimes, you know. But yeah, last month I had a 73.68% win rate, which, you know, pretty happy about. One thing I am trying to do this year, I'm trying to hold some. Although I'm scalping, I am wanting to hold my trades longer. Or what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to find a happy medium of, which we spoke about in the mentoring session, of being happy with taking partials and how much to take and when to trail. I don't think there is like a perfect answer to that question, but it's just something we're trying to play around with more and more, because we call like hundreds of ticks almost every week in gold, and if I'm not up like minimum 100 ticks fucking every week, which obviously you're not going to get every week, but man, the way that our liquidity levels play out so well, it's like, man, I'm not here for fucking 10 ticks anymore. I'm here for the serious dollar. Have over 90% win rate in the New York session. Let me see. Let's have a look. There's my New York trades. New York. I mean, look, I haven't actually looked at that. If I have, yeah, I had one loss in New York. Yeah, 1 loss in New York. Yeah, that's interesting, man. Thanks for that. I didn't look at that stat, but yeah, that's quite interesting. Yeah, 13 New York trades, 1 loss. Yeah. And so I need to be happy with what I got and to not overtrade to make my left up. Yeah, that's the thing, Dave. That's like, it's just one of the mental battles that you always go through. You're never gonna sell the top and cover at the bottom. That's never gonna happen. But that's why I think it's good to, in your journals, be noting down what your trades on average are running into. Because if you see that you keep closing trades, and this is why you guys have to be journaling, even if it's just something as simple as this little spreadsheet, it takes 2 seconds. if you see that you close most of your trades at like 10, 15 ticks, but you look on average your trades are running into 30, 40, 50, then it's like, fuck, I need to change something here. But if you don't have that data, then you're just pissing into the wind. You don't know what you're doing. That's why I'm just trying to just get as much as we can. I'll try and do this for the whole entire year. I fall off it sometimes because it's when you do it for so long, it gets a bit boring. But I will try and keep it up just for maybe your guys' sake as well. Still convinced London's your favourite? It is. Well, January London wasn't amazing, but all in all, yeah. Year to date, London's still my favourite because in London I can manage risk a lot better. My stop loss. Oh, we just grabbed 15 highs here. Oh god, I'm too busy rabbiting on here. So we just grabbed them 15 highs. Did we grab them? I think you did. I think you just grabbed them highs. Ever so slightly. Oh, did you just leave a double top there or did you grab? I can't tell. Looks like a double top. 5 minutes a bit too bullish here anyway. I think that's a double top there. I can't see. It looks like a double top to me. Yeah, it's double top. Yeah, cool. Double top, cool. So we got double top there, double bottom down here. So now we're going to do what we do, where whichever way we grab first, that's where we can look to take the opposite trade. How many trades you take in a month in general? Last month, about 25. That's like almost a trade every day. This month has been much more aggressive. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades on the first. I had 1 today. So I would say on average, like 1 to 2 trades a day max. Max. If that 5 minute had grabbed the highs, I would take this flip on gold. You got a little 5 minute double bottom there. Little 5 minute double. What was it? 3 ticks away. Let me just make sure it hasn't been grabbed and anything else. Did the futures grab it? Nah, nothing. Shows up behind close. Yeah, that would be, actually would be easier. It would make life easier, yeah. For sure. Slow afternoon, yeah. We just had this lovely liquidity grab. I really wanted to take advantage of this. This was fucking beautiful. And you come up, you grab the highs. You had a 5 minute triple bottom there. Wake the highs, shorten into that. Continue pushing down. Very nice. Oh, how do you put that on, David? Where do I have that? Where's that? How do I put that on? Where is that? Where is that on your screen? I can't tell. Is that at the top of your screen? So what does that take? The current height of the actual candle? Yeah? Did that just do anything? Oh no, I don't like that. Don't do that.
Oh, I like that, did it?
Yeah, I like that too.
I didn't know that.
Is it where you...
The knowledge bombs are going flat out here today.
I know, everyone's got it. Yeah, you move over the mouse. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do I have that?
And it is a double top. Bang on.
And we're dropping. High and low price. Yeah?
You do like that, me?
Yeah, I like that, me. What have I just done? Hey bro, happy Monday. Happy Monday to you too, man. Any trades taken? Nah, I was looking for this double top to be grabbed to take these shorts. If you guys did take that 5 minute little flip there, you've got to be aggressively break even there. Aggressively break even. 10 ticks. I feel like we did grab it. Did we not actually grab it? No, you didn't there. Yeah, I really wanted to. I want to short into this double bottom, but I think it's just going to grab it from here. Anyone who's buying gold right here will be doing something like this. This is why I wanted to short into this. This here will be a retail trap of people trying to buy gold too early. Hey, first time here. Welcome to the stream, man. Any NQ trades? No, I don't trade NQ, man, but I can break it down. Been grabbed on the Pepperstone chart. Yeah, it came that close to that. Yeah, I would assume it got grabbed on some other charts. Yeah, that's good to know, man. That's good to know. Yeah, we'll have a look at Nasdaq in a second. I just want to see how this is going to close because there's still opportunity here on gold because you still got what 15 ticks to grab this little double bottom. But as soon as you do start grabbing these lows, you know, you could see gold retrace a lot of this move. Do you have any trendline liquidity or anything? I don't think so. I wish we had some more clear levels to buy into. You kind of had this little grab, little break back below the trendline, retest, push lower. You can kind of actually, in Asia, although we did have this nice push down, on the hourly, I think it was on the 15 as well. No, maybe it was on the 15. And there's a reason I didn't short from up here, because we had this nice rejection. You almost came to fill it in, and then kind of dropped out of nowhere. So there is the possibility of re-grabbing this high up here. It's quite far away now. You're going to grab the lows first, but it's probably the only upside liquidity level I can really see. This isn't one because it grabs some highs, push lower. This isn't one, grab some highs, push lower, grab some highs, push lower, grab some highs, push lower. There's the only real one of interest, and then still this double top all the way back up there as well. That's the high of NFP, which it'll take a while to get back up there, but at some point, maybe this week, next week, it's a level to watch. You know, we are still just in a major range on gold. Like, gold is not really trending right now, but we don't care because we still take advantage of these scalps. But yeah, we are in this very big range. What's that? What have I done to my charts? What's this high and low price go? Wait. So if we're in this if we're in this major overall range, this is the resistance. Where's the major support? Probably like still quite far away down here. You have any trend? Yeah, kind of grabbing a lot of this trend line as well, which I think some of you guys spotted on last week on Zoom. So great spot there. That was a lovely grab as well. Wick out the lows, close back above the trend line, push higher. Let's see here, Goldie. Yeah, that's a nice trend line, AJ. Yeah, I like that, man. Retrace into that a little bit. Mark's jumping on, good man. We're even a little 5-minute double bottom here as well now. If we can see this retrace higher, I would love to short this. Oh my god, what the hell is that? What is that, Nathan? Let me have a look at this. Oh my days. Yeah, I think put a fib on there, man. It'll probably make it a bit easier. Get some fibs on there. Some liquidity levels. That is disgusting. That is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, you probably have a pretty good win rate if you just do the opposite each time. Every time it closes bearish, go long. Every time it closes bullish, go short. Matrix is broken. Yeah, that's a ridiculous chart. Stick to the rules, liquidity grab closure. Yeah, love that, man. Look at your rules at the top. Good man. Way to snap the alt T trend line. Do you mean like this, where it like stick to it like this? And then you can do it like that. Is that what you mean? Yeah. So I just hold down command when I'm doing this. Whenever I'm trying to put on my high, if you hold down command, it puts on. Yeah, command on that. There you go. Yeah. It holds down the magnetic tool. And then if you hold down shift as well, it does this as well. Mark taught me that one. Could you go over that point in more detail of why it was some level and some isn't? What do you mean exactly? Sorry, man. The wick at 38.7 on the 15. Why? Because if it's grabbed a previous high, then it's not of interest. Like if you ever see gold, I mean, this is kind of one. It's only the 5 minute, but that is a level there because you rejected once, never re-grabbed the highest, push lower. So if ever you see something like that on gold, it's going to get grabbed. Exactly the same as all of this down here. Exactly the same as this down here. If ever you see gold just reject a level of resistance or support once and it doesn't re-grab the lows, then that becomes a level to target. So you can see here, you rejected once, re-grab the highs, push lower. Rejected once, re-grab the highs, push lower. You did it here on NFP as well. Rejected the highs, rejected once, re-grabbed the highs, push lower. And if ever you don't see something like that, then that's when it becomes your liquidity level. So I guess you could argue that this one here on the 5 minute is one. Gold be ranging between 25 and 52 for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, it's been a huge range, man. It's been a very nice range though. That's the thing, trying to swing trade gold right now is almost impossible. But that's why we love to scalp, because we scalped gold very well in January. Very, very well, actually. We're at the start of January. Here was the start of January. These very, very nice moves. We caught some great liquidity levels in January. Absolute fantastic liquidity levels. So you can almost see here on gold, what did you not do before this drop here? You rejected once, but you never re-grabbed the highs. That's why I believe at some point you could come back up and test NFP highs and re-grab these daily highs. At some point, it's not of interest right now or anything I'd worry about anytime soon, but at some point to re-grab a lot of these highs here looks likely. We'll probably see a dip down first more. And, this is last week's open as well, where you never created a bottom wick on the weekly. See here, before the big push up, you reject once, re-grab the lows, push higher. Reject once, re-grab the lows, you push higher. Let's get the aircon on. Moved here for the aircon. Let's get it on. Look at that. (2024), the year of technology. Isn't it incredible? It's calling. We got it all, David. We got it all, man. We got it all. Ooh, could have a little continuation play if we can grab some highs here. If this grabbed the highs, you have a little continuation play here. So now you're living the dream, man. Living the dream. I'm off to New Zealand next week as well. Should be good fun. Would you move to still situated in Sunny Coast? Nah, I'm not in Sunny Coast anymore, man. Moved closer back down to Brisbane, man. My partner drives to Brisbane every day, so yeah, we moved back closer, man. I'll still be up in Sunny Coast quite a lot. I think we're actually going back up tomorrow. Well, yeah, Mary, the aircon was certainly not on the 1st of February, that's for sure. Now we know why. Now we know why I had that 67 tick loss. Gold weekly profile is bearish in my opinion. DXY created a gap. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I am still, I would love to see gold dip lower. Like, what did we not do before this push up here? It's the same concept. It just looks so crazy because it's so far away now. What did we not do here before this push up? We rejected once, rejected again, grab the lows, push higher. We rejected once, never re-grab the lows. So 2000, which we should have marked on our charts somewhere. Yeah, here, 2000. it's still a level to come into play at some point. So, you know, if today closes back below all of this noise, that would be fantastic. Top wick tomorrow and you'd be shorted down into all of that. Yeah, Mario, absolutely, man, absolutely. Down here, yep. Top wick and short potential, yeah, 2 minutes, yeah, let's have a look, Too many charts open here. Let's have a look. I was hoping we could wick up these highs and... Yeah, if you don't grab these lows in the next 2 minutes, yeah, I agree. Hourly top wick up into here, and then you can be shorted down into there, and that can give you a little scalp of like around 20 ticks. If the hourly opens and instantly pushes down, that's fine. You can have hourly buys up into these levels, depending on how bearish this hourly closes. Pretty heavy right now. Never closed back above this support here. Broke below, retested, pushed lower. Hourly, yeah, I mean, this hourly double bottom to be grabbed and potentially shorten back down to there. Looks like a pretty easy trade to me. We could top wick potentially up into here. Which if we have a look at that back on the 5 now, we got 1 minute here. That would sit up around that double top, which is quite nice. Biggest dollar win in gold futures trading. Probably like around in one trade, maybe like 2,500, 3,000 maybe. So like 20, 30 ticks, maybe. You know, my biggest win last month on this account was 32. And if I had these NFP trades though, the biggest trades I've had have all been off the back of news. So we are opening with instant top wick. Oh, don't push down too much. You got a little 5 minute triple top here now. So you got 1, 2, 3 highs to come and grab. So if you grab the lows, you have some nice targets now. If we can wick out these lows early on here, then this is good. This is where you can start having some buys on gold. There you go. Cool. Grabbing the lows here. Nice. I would have loved to have shorted that mofo if we grabbed these highs, but that's fine. So you're grabbing this little double bottom. So anyone who was buying gold from here, like I said, stop loss below there, they've just been liquidated. I would have taken shorts if we had maybe this 5 wicked out high. You could have a continuation play, but we're opening and instantly pushing down in the first 1 minute of this hour. So if we're pushing down in the first minute of this hourly, what's the chances of this hourly creating a big bottom wick to come and retrace some of this? Much higher. You may grab these though. That's why I wanted to be exposed to sells. Did anyone get them shorts? I don't think so. Maybe someone did.
I closed the break even.
Where did you get it from, man? Around here?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
close the break even on.
17 ticks, yeah. No top wick. Yeah. No, if we had just wicked up into here, that would have been beautiful. But even though we haven't wicked up into there, like I say, this is like a 5 minute 3 triple top kind of thing that we spoke about on the mentoring session. We call it a triple top. It's probably not called that, but that's what we call it. But yeah, be watching around this level. It's hard to tell because it looks so bearish right now, but be watching around this low here for price to start to reject. Because this is the final double bottom that I can see to potentially be grabbed before a push higher. This one right here. As soon as you grab this, you could see gold start to retrace. So be watching here for any signs of rejection. Don't buy yet though, because you're at this support now. you're at this support here, which we know if we're going to push higher, we're going to grab that. Next to each other, not three. Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah, next to each other. Yeah, maybe we should call it something different, like I don't know, like equals or something like that. Like this is kind of like an actual more of a double top. So you're already rejecting. 3 tips. Yeah, tips. Yeah, already rejecting 10 ticks there. You may leave that. You could easily retrace before grabbing that low. But we will go for longs once you start closing back above. Win the half, break even as soon as you grab the lows. Oh, nice, man. Nice. Morning, mate. How's it going? Good morning, Rob. Good morning, man. Yeah, that was a clean move, Brian. That was nice, man. That was nice. Yeah, that double top was weird, wasn't it? It's a nice level to target now, though. So you know, even though we didn't get the shorts down, at least we're not part of the 95% of people who would have been trying to buy from here and doing something like that. You know, that's where everyone would have been trying to buy gold, and we like to take advantage of it. If we had wicked these highs, and closed bearish, man, that would have been a textbook sell. Could have shorted there on that flip of that, the next 5, risk off the high. Oh, don't do that. Shorted into there, you go 26. If that just wicked out them highs, which I think it did on some providers, but it doesn't matter. That would have been beautiful though. Wick out the highs, close aggressive bearish, 5-minute double bottom, top wick, break the low, boom. Yeah, 30 ticks, yeah, huge. Would 9 ticks be worth taking partials in a half position? Not for me, man. It depends. If you still got more downside target, nah, personally not. If you're only like 9 ticks in profit, it's probably just worth going break even, to be honest, man. Because if you're 9 ticks in profit and you close half, then it keeps pushing down, you're going to be annoyed. Whereas it's not really worth securing like less than 10, to be honest, man. And even at 10, I don't really like to, unless it's Asia, which I did today. I don't really like to secure even less than 10, to be honest. But you know, if you're 9 ticks in profit and you're unsure on the trade, then yeah, going to break even, absolutely. That makes more sense to me. Yeah, we'll be back to live as normal every single day this week. You know, we'll be able to paint over some like some overall liquidity levels soon once we get a little bit more price action on gold as well. Remember, it's the first day after NFP. Rejected once, re-grab in the lows. This is nice. So I don't buy just yet. Little double bottom. Potential continuation play if it doesn't instantly grab it, which I think it might. Oh, there you go, yeah. Go on, we'll just wick this low here. Be good to us. But like I say, because it is an hourly low, it doesn't mean you can't take buys without it grabbing it. Because you can see it's easy to just retrace before wicking out the lows. Like you do here. If you're waiting for price to grab this before this, you would have missed a lot of on the table here. We're a big daily support here on gold. To at least see us come back up and, you know, retap back into 2035 from down here, you know, it's a decent range. If we can wick these lows, then amazing, even better. But if we don't and we close above, that's fine as well. Are we gonna do it? There you go, cool. So, fuck, I got to be didn't get them shorts. But there you go, you've just wicked out these lows here. So now this is the final point where I don't see any more downside on gold before retracing now. This is the last kind of barrier that you'd want to grab the lows before this push up. So this is the level to start watching for some decent rejection from, and now we can risk off wherever this low is going to be. If this starts closing back above previous, great. I'm going to get rid of these levels because you're not going to grab all of them. Oh, nice. Got shorts. Continuation to re-grab the lows. Yeah, nice, man. Nice. Take the flip of that 5 to re-grab the lows. 12 ticks. That's decent, man. Good trade. Good trade, man. Why can I not give you a fire emoji? Where's the fire emoji? Oh, there you go. Someone beat me to it. There you go. Yeah, nice continuation play there, man. It's decent because that's actually I didn't realize how decent amount of what that's like. Yeah, 16 ticks and that 15. That's a great continuation play. Very nice, very nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice, man. Good trade, man. $15 is looking heavy. Fuck if it. It's the only decent opportunity if we wicked out that high. That's 50 ticks, look at that. But yeah, I do still believe, doesn't have like not right now, but at some point this week, given there's no news, to see us correct a lot of this NFP move, it would be pretty nice. Would be very nice. It's good because where we're sitting, we're not in the middle of like a 4-hour range. We're right at the lows of a major 4-hour support, so it's a decent position in the markets to be open to some trades. Because like this is a major 4-hour resistance. Now we've closed back below it. Even to retrace back into that, that's still 100 ticks away. That's still a very nice opportunity. Not yet though. I mean, even to at some point later on regrab 4-hour highs, still 60 tick move away. Where could you? Let me just see. Not that. You 5 minute top weight, nice. Yeah, still got some downside juice here on gold. This is why we wanted to be in these sells. If you guys got sells, hold some partials because you want to use it as an anchor to look for some longs. Risk free. Mark's joining. Look at this. Mark's in the building. What time is that? 4:45. Look at this. Look at that. 4:45. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal lows. Shorten down to that. Beautiful. Oh, it took quite a while. Yeah, nice man. Good man. Mark's in the building. Hello, Mark. He's
Mark's in the mountains, but that's it.
What up?
What's up, man? He's back. You can have my...
Dirty dash.
I'm looking very brown. I just looked at myself on the camera here.
Stop that nonsense. No negativity here, okay?
Free liquidity. I need some liquidity. Maybe he's still buying. Who was buying? No one on this stream better be buying gold. We said don't buy gold. Don't buy gold. We said don't buy gold.
Did I miss the full margin shorts?
Yeah, we all missed the full margin shorts, man. I almost had some shorts of this little 5-minute flip here, but it left somehow left a double top and pushed lower. If that had grabbed it, man, that would have been, because you had so many low little double bottom here to come and grab. You had some lows down here. It was very, very nice. It's a major level. It's before you got on. All right, that's allowed then. That's allowed. You took it before we did the breakdown. That's fine. But that was it was a retail trap to jump in buys there on gold. I say, although we didn't get the shorts, we didn't also get trapped in longs. We called the direction very well there on gold. So if you did take shorts, did take buys, just understand the liquidity grabs. Actually, no. If you took buys after that huge wick, that's justifiable. That's fine. But as soon as you fail to close, this is why you need to be reactive, not predictive. As soon as you don't close above that, that's your exit right there. As much as you may want gold to go up, if that's a level of resistance, you cut your longs and just wait. If it then does close above, and you go, oh fuck, I cut my shorts. Well, then you're just crying. You just wait for it to retest and push low. That's it, confirmed. But until it closes above there, no longs. No longs, because that was a lovely liquidity grab. To not drive after such a nice grab like that, you can cut your longs here, even cut the little loss there. Once it breaks back below, flip the bias and take the shorts, and you'll make back way more. You could have saved him. I know. I could have saved this thing. I saved you guys some losses today. So you're technically up on the day. Whereabouts are you, Mark?
I honestly don't know. Cambodia.
Mark's just boating around.
Is called. It's beautiful, man. It is. Ko Rong San Loan.
I would try and type that into Google, but I don't think I can even attempt to try and spell that.
I'll send it. So,
how long are you there for?
That's, I don't know, maybe like 3 days or something.
Nice, man, nice.
I'll show you. It's stunning. These Cambodian islands are beautiful. They're just, everything's so bloody expensive.
Expensive?
Yeah.
Really? Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't expect that.
Because they use US dollars over here, and everything that might be like 25 cents, they'll just say it's like $1 US.
Yeah.
But the beers are the same price as the water, so it makes more sense to drink the beers. That's not a box.
Nice. Go wrong. Oh yeah, nice. This looks cool.
Yes. I was coming down the stairs and that's all I heard. I agree.
Alan had the beers in his back. Oh yeah, it looks fucking beautiful. Lazy beach here, this is beautiful.
5 o'clock somewhere, right?
Yeah, here, 6 o'clock here in Australia.
Mate, over here I lose what day it is. I got to remind myself.
Yeah, this looks beautiful, man.
No idea.
I never heard of this before.
Neither had I. I didn't even know that Cambodia had.
Nah, neither.
Yeah.
Neither.
Brett, I'm at Wonder, so that's right. It's sick. It's a great spot. Did I go to Sukhumvit? Yeah, I went to Sukhumvit and then I was on the main one, Ko Rong, before a night, and then I came here just because I got over the tourists and seemed a bit more chill.
If you do it double top line with this trend line. Yeah, I like that, Jay. I like that, man. I like that very much. Yeah, you're very likely today to see a lot of that retrace, man. Also, I love how clean your charts there are, Jay. That's a very, very nice chart. Makes me want to switch up my colours again. It's a very nice chart, man. Very clean chart, yeah. At any point, you could see gold, yeah, absolutely retrace all of that. From where you're currently sitting, you're not going to jump it now, but, it's like 50 ticks away. It's a very decent level, man. Still pushing down for now in this 5 minute. Yeah, I didn't know Cambodia had so many nice islands. This is fucking well nice. It's one place I never got to go to.
It's stunning. It's a bit more chill than like PV, but they're definitely like. Thing with Cambodia, everything's a tourist trap. Any way they can get money out of you, they will.
Come on, Goldie. Find some support, motherfucker.
Been a bit disappointing, Cambodia, to be honest, but the islands are nice. The islands are so good for me, sort of.
West are trying to scam tourists. Really? Wow. Oh, whoa. Look at that gold on the 30. Holy. You still got runners, Alad?
Yeah, but it's nearly taken out. I got the run TP at 2059 on the futures chart.
Yeah. Good man. Good man.
On personal account.
Yeah, nice man. Good man. Everyone's getting the personal fight up this year. Let's have a look at let's have a look at what did Nasdaq do off NFP. Got the hourly low, yeah. Close back bullish, wowee. Nasdaq is not messing around at these highs. Where was that NFP? Initial NFP drop, rinsed completely back higher. Hadn't grabbed any highs. Huge. You got a very nice double top there on Nasdaq to come and grab. You have these overall highs here to come and grab. That's huge. Look at that. Close back above. As soon as that closes above, take that little ride up. That's huge, man. Huge, huge, huge. Oh, that's fucking beautiful, man. That looks like Thailand. Yeah, that's stunning, man. Yeah, that's fucking nice.
Some of the hostels here are being like nicer than some hotels I've stayed in.
Really? Yeah, it's cool, man. I like that. Yeah, it looks fucking incredible. Maybe we'll do a trade retreat somewhere cool. Oh, bro, look at that. That's so unfortunate, man. That was a huge call, man. Yeah, to move stops to break even there, yeah, 100%, man. You could have easily whipped that out and spiked up a little bit more. So as you were failing to close below, yeah, it did make sense to us, man. You just would have been wanting to look for re-entries, which you just unfortunately just didn't get. Like if you'd wicked out these highs and then re-enter, you would have much more confidence in the position and you'd make much more bands. Yeah, to cut that at break even, I think was a good shout, man. I would do the same. After that 5 minute wicked out the lows and closed bullish, you could have easily retraced a lot higher before seeing this push down. So to go break even where you did, yeah, great management, man. What program do you use on PC to view the markets? I've been watching your trading. I'm very interested, bro. Rob, this is Trading View here, man. This is just Trading View. This is just where you do all your analysis and look at any instrument you want to look at. So use Trading View to do all your technical analysis, man. Look at this on the gold. We're still dripping here. We are pushing. No stopping gold right now. I'm gonna try and catch this just yet.
Were those buys on like the 15 when it grabbed those buys and then closed the back? I mean, sells, not buys.
My one here.
Yeah, from when it broke below at 202, 2030. Is that what you got marked up?
No, I this one here I took some Asia sells, but I didn't get these London sells unfortunately.
So the buys on the 15 from 2030 sells would have been amazing.
Yeah.
55 ticks now.
You could literally be trailing above every 5 minute high here on gold. This is huge. Fuck, I wish if we had just wicked out them highs, we'd already be out. But look at that, fucking, that's like a 50 tick runner. That's crazy. What a push. If I had held some runner on these Asia shorts, I'd be up like 140 ticks. Fucking idiot. Increase comes from CME to 524. Really? Motherfuckers.
That's $5 to $20.
Yeah. I'm out now. Yeah, good trade, Alex. Very good trade, man. Very, very good trade. Great hold as well, man. Great hold. What do you get there? Runners into like almost 30 ticks. Yeah, amazing hold. Huge. And does that give you real-time information? And you can buy and sell in there as well. Where do you download that from? Yeah, this is live. This one up here isn't just the futures I don't pay for anymore. But yeah, any of these charts down here, this is live data, man. And yeah, you can, if you want to get used to it, you can just You can create a paper account here on TradingView just to get a hang of it, man, and you can buy and sell on this if you want to as well. I personally don't buy and sell on this, but in the purpose of getting used to the platform, yeah, you can trade on this if you want to, man. This is huge on gold, man. Benny, have you got where have you got that trend line from, Benny? It looks pretty nice. Have you got it from like up here, maybe? That'll be the next one that comes into play, like here, maybe? Around there. It's a big level. I don't actually know, man. It's been... I thought it was supposed to be out by now, but I still don't think it is. I don't think she's ready.
Because there's still people testing it in the beta, isn't there?
Yeah, man. Still hearing out free ones yet. Cool. Peace out, everyone. Enjoy, man. Enjoy it. Enjoy your dinner, man. Soon as this 4 hour, I don't just want to keep talking about longs, but as soon as this does find some support, you could easily see gold retrace back into like 2035 today. 2035 up here. Yeah, nice. I like that trend line, man. I like that. I like that. Where we got that 4 hour? Yeah, nice. 4 hour lows. Yeah, nice. I like that, man. I like that. See this 30 chart here as well, little triple bottom, retest, re-break lows, very nice little continuation play there if you had the intraday liquidity grab as a break below, top wick, triple bottom, job done. I don't know how we missed that, as a very nice trade though. What do you think of this? Let me have a look, Jay, man. Let me have a look. Oh, Jay, did you get the NFP shorts? Got the NFP shorts. Good shit, man. Weekly no bottom wick. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like that, man. Yeah, I do think you will easily drive down into there. I do. I still think you'll probably retrace a little bit higher first before getting down there, but that as an overall target, yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me, man. Where's that on my chart? I've got too many charts open here. That's like, yeah, back down there. Yeah, easily. You may not come up this high now. You never know. You may just even... You kind of already broken below top wick and pushing lower down into there. It's huge. But yeah, to eventually get back... And you've also kind of got a double bottom here. You got a double bottom at 2016. Double bottom at 2016 there on gold. What did you not do before this push up? You closed bearish, rejected once, never re-grabbed the lows. So that becomes a overall downside liquidity level as well. It's a pretty nice level actually to be grabbed at some point. So once you create that bottom wick on the weekly, you'll also re-grab this little double bottom. I'll be surprised to see it keep pushing from here though, but I'm not going to try and fucking catch the bottom here. Catch you guys later. Enjoy, Trent. Enjoy, man. Here's why you buy the exchange to the futures, just because you... I try, yeah, I try and use just this XAU UST one. I don't like to use the futures one for any of my analysis. I used to use the futures one down here for high time frame, but I just stopped using it completely. I just stopped paying for the data as well. And then the trades I actually take on futures are only when I'm here scalping. And then the ones I take in the currency are when I'm not here watching like the 5 minute. Like any trades we take here in London, they're only on the futures. And when I take trades off like, you know, the 30 and higher, because I don't like to trade that big a size without being able to manage it so soon, I take them ones on the FX account. You know, if I had taken that trade on the first on my futures, it would have been a fat loss. They're mostly for like the higher time frame trades, man. I'm not comfortable taking them on the futures just yet. So the FX is kind of like, you know, like I guess you could say like kind of like testing one to hold the trades for longer and just trade like the higher time frame. I don't like to trade the 30 or the hourly on the futures just because the fluctuations and, you know, the stop losses can be relatively bigger. So most of them ones from last month with the FX screenshots are mainly because they were managed on the higher time frame. But when I'm sitting here scalping the 5 minute, guys, I don't trade the FX account at all. So curious where someone chooses currency. Yeah. That's all it is, man. If I'm sitting here actively scalping and sitting down futures only, like I don't have the FX account open right now, but if it's outside of that and I want to take a trade of like, you know, the 30 or the hourly and, you know, manage it off alerts, I'll do it on the currency, man. I'd like to be able to hold the futures longer eventually, but I need to get more comfortable with it first. And I trade like a fraction of the size of like literally like a quarter of the size on the FX one as well. So that allows me to not have to manage so aggressively, which I could trade less on the futures, but I don't like managing futures on the apps either. I don't have any futures apps, and I'm not a big fan of them, to be honest. Look at this on gold. Look at this 5. This just haven't grabbed any highs. We are just pushing here. Yeah, it's so overextended now to sell. Like look at this. You haven't grabbed. I get rid of this now. I don't care about that. We'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. Look at this 5. Haven't re-grabbed any 5 minute highs before this whole push down. That's why if you had these shorts on gold, you could literally trail above. It's rare to see this, but you could trail above every 5 minute high, and you would still be in this position. Look at this. You would still be riding these shorts. It's crazy. You can't have most on your phone, and yeah, I've had the Tradeovate app before, but I don't like it, man. I'm not a huge fan of it. Possible set, but yeah, there is news today, isn't there? Yes, there is. Yeah, there is news. Yeah, I do believe at some point, you know, kind of where you are now is at an aggressive level where you do want to be open to finding some support. Doesn't mean you just start buying gold for no reason, but it is at a strong level where you could start to bottom wick out at. It's kind of hard to see because it's so bearish right now. But at any point, by the time this hourly closes, you know, you could leave a fat wick like this, re-grab the lows, and then start to retrace. Because this 5 minute, yeah, it's so overextended. Yeah, it's huge. That's why I really wanted to be in these sells so we could be exposed to if this was to happen. Because look at it, it's huge. This is what gold does as well, you know, and this is why you never want to try and catch the bottom on gold. You know, it can reject, push down, and you like this, you know, it looks like it's, you know, time to go back up. Nah, gold will just keep pushing down. Same as what we saw last London session here. Tried to take the buys, keeps pushing down, and then look, whole move, completely retraced. So you could see something pretty similar to this. See one more aggressive push down, people are trying to jump in long too early, and then later on, yeah, you could see this whole move retraced. But this is why I did want the sells. Gold is not to be fucked with. No, gold is not to be fucked with. No, gold is not one to trade against or try and catch the bottom. As much as you may want to, it is not one to do that. Because look at this. Looks like it's slowing down. Nah, boom, straight back down. And this is a 15 ticks in one 5 minute candle. And if you're wondering, well, then why don't you sell it? Well, you can't because it's not where you're going to put your stop loss if you try and sell this now. Unless you're going to have a stop loss like, you know, all the way above the previous 30 highs, it's the only real way you could sell it. But what the fuck's my mouse doing? But do you want to be exposed to a potential 50 tick loss? Absolutely not. So if you don't have the sells, you just have to just chill for now. Just let it do its thing. But also, yeah, remember, it is only the first day after NFP as well. You're still going to get some decent plays today, but don't chase it when it's overextended like this. This is already like a 70 tick push in London. So unfortunately, we didn't just grab these highs because that would be a fucking fantastic sell for us. But it's fine. At some point today, we will get that clean liquidity play. It's always right around the corner. We'll just move over to NAS. Yeah, start trading NAS, yeah. Buy NAS up into here. Let's see, for a buy. You want to see, like, start to close, like, probably back above here-ish, to be honest, man. Here. Wait, maybe, I'm just trying to look, where's a clean level? Like, probably back above here, close below, back above, retest, push higher. Close above, little fake out, close above, retest, push high. So yeah, probably this level here, man. I'd say closure back above there. And that's when you can be looking to... And I'd say closure on the 30 at least. And you can start to take it back up again, man. Look, I want you guys to see what the Forex market is doing, guys. Let's go. Brokers are losing clients because of this. Well, I don't know what you're on about. I don't know what that means, man. I'm out. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. All good, man. See you, man. Take it easy, man. Ooh, 5 minutes starting to find some support. Who's going to be the first one in here? No top wick in this current 30. Who's going full margin on the buy stops? Full margin on the buy stops. 17 tick stop loss. Wow, yeah, these are some big rejections. How long you got? 24 minutes to this hour. He's going to close. Could we all of a sudden start to wick it like the last couple of? I'm not in this part because I'm just having a little play around drawing this up. I can't take it off just one 5-minute rejection, unfortunately. Right, TP1 hit. Yeah, if you get a 30-minute fake out, close back above here, that means the hourly will also be closing above, and then then you can look to retrace it again. Just so no one thinks we're actually taking this. So for the first time for this whole push down, we're now finally grabbing some 5-minute highs. See if we're going to close bullish here and close back above or not. I'm going to put this. We need a minimum of 15, so let's wait for that next 15 close. Yeah, look at that 15. All of a sudden, leaving a very nice wick rejection there. At this major support. Oh, let me post in. Let me. Trade safe. Yeah, enjoy, Brian. Enjoy, man. Let me post in the fundamentals for you guys on Discord. Apologies, I hadn't put it in yet. Let me screenshot this. I'll send that into Discord after this as well. 15 could be creating a little morning star here soon. Morning star around a very big level of 4-hour support. Remember, this is a big 4-hour wick here that we're at right now. This here. Last time we came into this level, you had a very strong reaction. Okay. You have a decent reaction off it every single time. So I could easily see it retrace back up into here. If this 15 kind of closes doji and next 15 gives you an instant top wick without grabbing highs, then that could be a little boring star play. It's like a shooting star on 5 minute. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's the first sign of support we've kind of seen all morning, which is good. You're just grabbing previous 5 minute highs. Kind of creating a little morning star there on the 5. But I would like to see it recreated on the 15 as well. Still got 21 minutes till this hourly's going to close. Anything can happen on gold. Let me get rid of all these highs. It's about, yeah, you want to see a minimum of a 15 close. Minimum of a 15. 4 tick push on this current 5 minute, can't get too excited just yet. So where did you guys have the trend line? I think you guys had a trend line like this, maybe? Yeah, it's nice. In long, ooh, very nice. Is that a signal? First signal of the day?
That financial advice, that one?
I think that was financial advice. In long, everyone buy gold, is what I read that as. What's the first trend line? Like this. Oh yeah, no, yeah. That was a nice fake out, that one, yeah. Third touch, 4 touch. Minor fake out, still fake out. Yeah. Oh, all the way up here as well. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, you kind of got 2 there, yeah. So you got that one there. And you've also got that one there. So you kind of got an inner trend line here and an outer trend line up there. Something we used to use. Alad will remember them days, the inner and the outer trend lines. We used to use them. Alan? Alan's not there. Does this work for you first time? Nah, it'll still work for you, man. Doesn't have to be if you've been taught that before. Alright, 15's just, oh no, 15's not closed, that's the 5 minute close. Let me get rid of this for a second. 5 minutes just closed bullish. Instant bottom wick. Hovering around this nice level of support. I'm not trying to catch the bottom here on gold, but I do believe this hourly could leave a juicy wick here. Oh shit, my phone's not charging. Oh no, who's this? Is this my other secret account? What's he got now? I fucking blocked this one, man. What is it? Aaron _ traders _ FX. Fuck, I have to block these clowns like every day. I swear I blocked this one. Aaron _ traders _ FX. Oh yeah, fuck, they just change it. Instagram's so shit, man. Let me block it. Cheers, bro. I've just blocked it, man. Thank you. You should probably. Let me block these clowns. Instagram's so annoying sometimes, man. Fake accounts fucking every day. What does the message actually say? Let me see.
Have you heard...
That's right, man.
Yeah, have you heard of Vero?
No, I haven't.
Like the new Instagram or something?
No.
It's not full of like the algorithms and stuff. So it's much better apparently.
Really?
Is it Vero or Valero or something?
I haven't heard of it.
I just watching YouTube yesterday, and one of the people I watch, they were on about it, like, you know.
Yeah, nice.
Better for business, businesses, etc.
Really? Yeah, interesting.
I haven't downloaded it, so I don't know what it's like, but just to let you know.
Yeah, thanks, man. I'll have a look. Has everyone seen the Apple Visions? Things are fucking wild. I think that's what they're called.
I'm waiting for the first person that joins the Zoom with their camera, and they've just got these big goggles on.
Yeah, they look crazy. Yeah, they look wild.
I watched that Steve will do it reel, and he's at the gym. He's like, I'm playing slots here, watching Robbie doing something over there.
So crazy. Yeah, I like that, Nick. Yeah, it's a solid level, man. Back of that trend line. Yeah, you could bounce from there. You could bounce from there. It is a nice breakout. Yeah, they're so crazy. I watched the Casey Neistat using them. They're fucking mental. It's quite scary.
He's so OG, Casey.
Yeah, he's quality, man.
He popped up the other day and I'm like, shit, I watched you in like early 2000s.
Yeah.
Like 2013, 2014.
Yeah, I love his videos. They're amazing. 15. We got 50 seconds for this 15 to close. It's looking like we're gonna get actually quite a nice close here. This is what I wanted to see. So now we want to see this next 15 bottom wick, and we could be buying gold up into these levels again. Remember, like I said, this hourly could all of a sudden, it looks heavy bearish now, but at any point we're at major 4-hour support, and this thing could turn around. So I'm watching a 5 for a bottom wick into some lows, and then we'll look for a breakout of that. Right, there's gonna be a false London push down, and you can see this whole move retraced here. This is a decent rejection here. 30 is also finding some decent support. If by the time 30 closes, you close back above this level, that'll be a huge fake out for gold. 8 seconds here. Let's see how the 15 is going to open. Ideally, 15 opens and gives a bottom wick into these little 5-minute lows. Then you can take the breakout of that. You will have to be aggressive with management here, though, because it is still bearish. So you got a little instant bottom wick there. Need a little bit more to come and grab these lows. You got a little 5-minute double bottom. At least a bottom wick into these lows, and then you can take a break of the high. And then we go sniping on gold. What's this? Yeah, whatever, mate. Why ain't you using futures gold chart? Because the futures chart doesn't grab highs and lows as much as the currency chart here. Futures chart can leave double tops and double bottoms. The currency chart grabs them, and that's very important for the way we trade. The futures chart is that different to the currency chart that it's too different for me to trade. So you really are grabbing the lows there. 15, is it enough of a 15 bottom wick? Where do you break even point as soon as you grab these highs? That's only 5 pips away. Yeah, if you guys are trading gold and you're trading gold futures, I don't recommend you guys use the futures chart for analysis. Use the spot chart. It's better. Well, it depends on what you're used to. This is more of a nicer bottom wick now. And as soon as it does flip, you can risk off wherever this low is going to be. Lots of gaps in the futures too. Yeah, not as much problem. Yeah, it's not nice for doing analysis. You can use it, but the currency chart's just easier. You don't need to know the numbers either. You just, if you're putting in buy orders or market execute, it doesn't really matter. Let's see if this 15 is going to find some support. 5 minutes been grabbed. Yeah, 5 minutes just grabbed the lows nicely there. Ain't it different pricing though? Yeah, prices are different, but I don't I don't look at that figure. That doesn't do anything for me. If I market execute, it doesn't matter if it's different numbers. Watch your stop. If anyone does this in you, I'd say just go half risk or something. It's a bit too bearish for me. I just kind of draw it up. I personally haven't put it in, but if you want to, put it in at half risk. I'm just not a huge fan of this. I don't think you're going to see the retracement all the way up to here as easy as that. I don't think that's enough to see a push up into there. Maybe it is, I don't know. I'm not super confident on it though. You want to, and the thing is, you have to be break even. So you want to, here would it be where you would have to be break even, and it's not that far away. I do think you could easily tap into this, re-tap back down here before pushing higher anyway. If it's in New York, yeah, if it's something like New York, you would have more volume, yeah, because London has such a big push down. There are like gaps on futures. Yeah, well, it's just there's no real, like, if you look at, let me see, where are we? There's no real gaps on this. As long as you're on the right contract, there's no gaps. It just leaves double tops and double bottoms a lot more than the currency chart does, and that's very important for the way that we trade. I don't know if there's an example right now, but a lot of times you'll see like a double top and it will just drop, whereas the currency chart grabs it and then pushes down. So if that's like a confluence for your trading plan, the futures chart will respect it a lot more. But as long as you're in the right confluence, you know, it's not. But yeah, I don't look at the figures on the side. So like the fact there's different pricing, it doesn't really make a difference to me. Because if I'm putting in like, you know, buy orders, I'm just putting it above or below the low anyway. So it doesn't actually affect it. So 5 minute create a top wick, re-push back lower there. You can see it dip down a little bit more. You had a 5 little double bottom. It's just too. The reason I didn't put it in is just because it's too bearish. No, we're just jumping in too early. It's unlikely now in 9 minutes that you're going to create that big of a bottom wick. If you do start to wick, then what could you redo on the hourly? You could easily still do what we say: reject once, re-grab the lows. And then, you know, you want to be looking for it. And if we had got these salesmen, we wouldn't even be here right now. I do still think you will get the buys today, but I think you need at least maybe an hour and a half of price action. Like you just need a little bit more from this hourly chart if you're going to see that push up, because it's an hourly level of support. It's just a shame we didn't get the sales, but it's all good. Took a cut of minus 3 ticks. Yeah, good job, Jay. Minus 3 ticks is good, man. Good job. Cut it as soon as it's closed bearish, retesting. Cut it there, yeah. If you took it there, cut it there. Yeah, amazing. Good, man. Definitely wasn't a bad one to take just to get a feel for it. Yeah, but cutting it there is perfect. Perfect management, man. As soon as it closes bearish, read back below previous low and retests. That's your exit right there. So good job, man. Do the currency chart, the future chart, high and low. No, it's sometimes different. Yeah, it can be a little bit different, but when I'm taking like the break of the highs, that's usually the same. Sometimes I'll put it like, you know, maybe a little bit lower on the futures chart, because sometimes currency can spike up a little bit more. Or you can just kind of, if it has decent volume, you know, it's just gonna, you know, if you had a buy stop here on gold, and the currency chart tagged it, but the futures didn't. Well, it didn't push down anyway. If it's gonna push up, it's gonna tag you in, regardless if you have it here or here. But it's just good to. That's why I like having two screens. I will watch it here and then have it here, because if you just need to mark execute, that's the good thing about futures is like, you're not messing around. You know, pressing loads of different buttons. Like I can literally just press a button and put in a buy order right there. You just wicked out the lows there. Get more on what you're doing rather than sitting hoping it'll run. Yeah, that's good, Jay. That's good. That's amazing, man. That's what you want to be doing. Cutting it and waiting. You can have a re-entry and make it back at any point. So you just grabbed 5 minute lows there. Now you're starting to break it again, which is a little bit nicer now. 15 is starting to look a little bit nicer. That's more of a better stop loss to me. Yeah, 15 is looking much nicer now. That's like a 15 double top there. What would your stops be if you were to? You could even mark execute here, and now that's actually a decent stop loss place. How do you got 1 more minute? If this doesn't break these highs, because you have 15 double top there, that's an easier target now. So you get this 5 closes in 15 minutes. If it doesn't grab these highs, I will take these buys next, because this is looking nicer to me. Because if you look on the 15 now, where is it? Double top here. See. Only thing is, you're safe. It would be a very quick scalp, like 10-15 max. It's not going to be the big retracement. Let's just see how this 5's going to close. Don't close too bearish though. Ideally close back above this low here to confirm the fake out. 5's got a little double top here as well. How long you got? 10 seconds here, 10 seconds. What broker you using? This is Tradeovate, man. It's top step that's pinned at the top. Interesting how futures work. Yeah, futures are good, man. Futures are good. I traded currencies for a very, very long time. Still do trade currencies, but futures is good. Well, both are good. You know, it's not gonna solve anyone's like inconsistency problems, but it's better for scalping because you get way better fills. So the futures already has a little top wick here. There's not a whole heap of volume, so don't filter that in as well. Don't come too close. I don't want to get stuck in sideways price action. Nah, I'm not confident. I'm not putting this in, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not super confident with this. You guys can put it in if you want. This is probably the best setup I've seen so far this morning, but if you break that low, then it's invalid straight away, but I'm not going to put this in. It's too... I would have wanted to see it drive already. A little bit too choppy. Yeah, what sort of benefits include in your exclusive group? You get the full trading strategy, you get the daily live zooms, full trade breakdowns, monthly mentoring sessions. We can do one-to-one calls, psychology help. You get the chat rooms to talk with everyone. You know, outside of the Zoom calls as well. Everyone shares trading ideas. But the main benefit is learning the actual strategy in more depth and all the previous trade breakdowns, man. Lots and lots of value. There's no upselling of the strategy or course or anything like that. Absolutely everything's included, man. But if you're new to trading, just keep watching these streams. You'll get a lot of value from these as well. Yeah, look at this 5. You've only got 2 minutes till this Audi's going to close, and look how bearish it's looking. We would have wanted to see this kind of push already. Yeah, worth waiting the first 5 to... Yeah, I agree, Mary, yeah. Because even if this Auli's going to reject, the next Auli's still going to re-grab the lows before potentially pushing higher. So it doesn't make much sense to be trying to buy gold. We would have wanted to see this 5 minute already start to push up to give this Auli a decent wick. But this Auli's looking like it's you're going to close pretty heavy. That was a lovely short level in hindsight. And executing the futures terminal is interesting. That's not a great thing. Yeah, so just analyzing here and just executing here. If you trade futures, you know, you can log in and just trade straight on here as well if you really wanted to. You can use Tradeovate. You can use TradeStation, AMP. There's lots of brokers you can use it on here as well. But that's the platform I'm using. I think this, yeah. I mean, if this, you know, if this hourly opens an instant top wick, you may have a little continuation play. Back down to re-grab the lows. It's like still 24-ish ticks, and that could be the top wick to grab these highs. Which, if you take the longs, that would be your break-even point anyway. Oh man. Do you trade your own capital or top set funder? Both, man, both. This month, because I've been on the go so much, I've mainly just been trading personal. Because I've been moving house, etc. So you kind of want to see this open net, because I wanted to see this 30 close back up on this level for a fake out. You probably want to see this 30 and hourly top wick back into here before taking these sells. Hourly's bearish, 30's doji, 5 minutes a little bit messy. It's not that clean just yet, guys. If you didn't get these shorts, which we unfortunately didn't, I don't know if jumping in a trade just yet is going to be your best move. Like I say, you're going to get a clean trade at some point today, but taking it right now after this push, if you didn't get these sells, it's not going to be it just yet. And like I say, unless you top wick, sells into the lows, and then take the break out of that. So if we were in that 5 minute flip there, you probably would be managing aggressively. Yeah, we would. So we were talking 5 minute close, no top wick. So we were talking about these buys. So if anyone did take that little 5 minute flip, which would have been like there, stops to break even straight away, because you're opening into an instant top wick. So you maybe would have just got like your little 10 ticks for the day. Different terminal. Yeah, it's exactly the same, Jordan. Yeah, it's exactly the same, man. It's just you get way better fills, way better execution, in my opinion, better funding opportunities. But like technical analysis wise, it's exactly the same. I just like it if I'm scalping the 5 minute, I don't have to deal with spreads. It's just instant execution. I'm long half risk, yeah, good man. Nice, you took the longs, yeah, nice. If you get the longs from down here, I would manage, because that hourly still closed pretty bearish into an instant hourly top wick. So you could see this hourly flip bearish and re-grab the lows for like 20, 30-ish ticks. Use Fibonacci level on gold. It worked pretty well. Yeah, fibs are good on gold, man. Yeah, fibs are very good on gold. 78.6 is what it likes the most, man. Gold loves the 78.6, especially for swing trading. What's this? Clear copy of a passport. And your finger is visible. Yeah. I want to keep trading, but I think we need a little more. So if you're gonna see sells into this hourly low here, you want to see this 30 come and grab some highs first, and look for the break out of that. But you guys on Zoom, I don't think you should. I think you should. I mean, if you're gonna stick around to trade a little bit in New York with me later, I think you guys should wait for now. I think we'll have something clearer later on today. We didn't get trapped in these buys. We really wanted these sells, but we didn't get it, unfortunately. But at least we didn't get trapped with the buys. How do you go trading with trailing drawdown on Apex, for example? I don't use Apex, man. I don't like that trailing drawdown rule. I think it's stupid. Top Step doesn't have that, man. That's why Top Step's better. So the only thing about Apex is that trading drawdown rule with trades running in profit, I think is really fucking stupid. If they got rid of that, you know, Apex would compete. Which if they do, would be open to it, but that's for me why Top Step is much better than Apex, because that drawdown rule. I mean, if you're trading something like Nasdaq in the New York session, then you know you can get away with it. But if you're trading gold, you're gonna have times where gold will run to a little bit of profit, come back down, and before it continues pushing higher. Or if you're scalping like the 1 minute or something, then you know you shouldn't have an issue with it. But for the way that we trade, it's too aggressive. It's a stupid rule as well. It's just one of them rules that I can't justify. There's like, you know, loads of rules on Top Step. I can justify all of them, but that rule on Apex to me just makes no sense. Catch you later, folks. Enjoy, Brett. Enjoy, man. I'm trying to see if we top wick here for some plays. What do you have on the break of the low? It's 18 ticks into the lows. Finally gets in my head. Yeah, it's a stupid rule, man. Yeah, I honestly wouldn't. I literally wouldn't touch them for that reason. I've only ever done one once, and as soon as I found out about that rule, I will not touch Apex. It just doesn't make sense. It makes absolutely no sense. Like if you have a trade running in profit and your stops are at break even and it comes back down to break even, that shouldn't be a rule violation. It's very, very stupid. I think we might have to let this do its thing, unfortunately, for a little bit. You have sells on gold down into this hourly low. But it's already pushed down so much that it's kind of just going to, for the next at least half an hour, it's probably going to go sideways. That rule is almost punish good trade management. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, man. About to get dinner. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. See you guys later. Yeah, see you closer to New York, man. We'll be active in Discord. I'm going to sell. Oh, nice. There's a signal again. Yeah, sells make sense, to be honest. So if we had these buys here, you know, we just about hitting like 4 ticks, you know, we're just about surviving this. Maybe would have got 10 max. If you took this 5 flip, depending on the filter, you may be just got 10. If that. Yeah, alright, Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. We'll be active in Discord in like, say like in, I'll be active for the rest of the evening, but we'll be active in Discord. I'll share some setups with you guys and more liquidity levels throughout the day. Right now, let this kind of chill. You want this hourly to grab the lows, close a bit doji, and then potential morning star to come and retrace. Thanks, stay healthy. Yeah, you too, Anthony. Rest up, man. Yeah, Zoom guys, I'll talk to you guys in Discord soon. Be active for closer to New York. Enjoy, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Alright, YouTube fam, gonna wrap up there. Good session today. Called them shorts down beautifully. Unfortunately, I didn't get it, but if you guys did get the sales, amazing, good job. We also stopped ourselves from jumping in the longs too early. But I'm gonna let this chill for a bit now. Range, then I'm gonna come back closer to the New York session. But I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in on the first stream back. Be back again same time tomorrow, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you guys there. Peace. Trade safe. Don't force anything. We have news later, and it could be a good one. Be patient for it. Peace.